Want to learn how to create your very first GitHub repository? Whether you're a beginner or just curious, in this video, I'll guide you step by step. No prior experience needed. By the end, you'll have your own repo live on GitHub and ready to share with the world. Step 1. Head over to github.com and sign in. If you don't already have an account, click Sign Up, create one, and log in. This account will be your coding home base. Step 2. Let's create a new repository. Click the green New button at the top right. Here, enter your repo name. For example, my first repo. You can also add a short description like Learning GitHub Basics. Step 3. Choose visibility. If you select public, anyone can see your code. If you choose private, only you and people you invite can access it. For beginners, I recommend starting with public. Step 4. Initialize the repository. This is important because it gives your repo a README file, a place to describe your project. Check the box that says Initialize this repo with a README. You can also add a .git ignore or license, but those are optional for now. Step 5. Click Create Repository. Congratulations! You've just created your very first GitHub repo. On this page, you'll see your README, a menu for issues, pull requests, and settings. This is your project hub. Bonus step, let's add your first file. Click Add File, Upload Files, choose a text file, and commit changes. Now your repo has real content. You can share this repo link with friends or collaborators. And that's it. You've created your first GitHub repository. In upcoming videos, I'll show you how to clone repos, pushing code from your computer, and collaborate with others. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your GitHub username in the comments. I'd love to check out your first repo.